Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Tails OS 7.1 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Tails OS official website and download. It is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is 7.1. Click on burning a Tails DVD. Then see here, download Tails. See here we have direct method and by using BitTorrent. Either is fine. I am going to download by using direct method. So click on this download Tails 7.1 ISO image. No need to register. See, download started. See here its size is about 1.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here I have already downloaded. In your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse. Then go to downloads directory where you have that Tails ISO image. So select it and click on open. Click on next. Select the type as Linux, version as Debian 64-bit. Select the latest version of the Debian. Then click on next. Then provide the name. Name can be anything. Then click on browse. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Select the path where you have the enough space. Click on OK. Then click on next. Provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. Then click on close. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Now use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.1, and hit enter. Welcome to Tails. Now see here default options for language, keyboard layout and format. See, these are the default options. If you want to modify or change anyone, just click on the option. Then you can search or you can scroll down and you can select. I am going with all defaults. Then persistent storage, if you want to enable, just select it, just turn on. If you don't want, keep it as turn off. And additional settings, click on this plus button. See here administration, these are the default values. If you want to provide or set the password for administration, click on it, then provide the password. Confirm the same. Then click on add. In the same way, if you want to configure other three options, MAC address anonymization, offline mode, unsafe user mode, these are all these enabled. Okay, I'm not going to change anything. So if you're okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. Tar connection, if you want to connect tar automatically, select this radio button, and if you want to configure a tar bridge, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want, then click on connect to tar. See, now it is connecting to tar without bridges. Now open terminal or console. See here we have the console. Now verify IP of this machine. ifconfig not found, IP, ADDR, IP, ADDR. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, Control A. Now find the version that you have installed. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Tails 7.1 and its ID is like Debian. Okay, Control A. The first step after connecting to Tails OS 7.1 is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update. & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of administration that we have set. Hit enter. Now it is updating the packages. Also see here connected to tar successfully. Now click on start tar browser. See, we have successfully connected to tar browser, and see here the default search engine for tar browser is DuckDuckGo. This will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Tails OS 7.1 on VMware Workstation. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.